Juke makes whole home audio simple. One amplifier, multiple rooms, and full control from your phone. But which Juke is right for your system? The Juke 6, Juke 8, or the upgraded Juke Plus? All of these models are designed to power passive, in-wall, in-ceiling, or outdoor speakers around your home with easy streaming from Apple AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, Bluetooth, and the Juke app. Up first, we have the Juke 6 and Juke 8, which look identical. These are the go-to models for a simple multi-room audio setup. They each supply up to 40 watts of peak power per channel, and they both feature Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi, and USB ports that you can use to connect a variety of analog devices with the use of an optional adapter. There's also an Ethernet port that you can use for an even more stable network connection. The only difference is the 6 supports up to 6 zones, with each zone handling up to 1 pair of speakers, and the 8 will support 8 zones. Need more than 8 zones? You can stack any Juke amplifiers together as well, and they'll pair wirelessly, allowing you to control all the zones together. In case you're unfamiliar with what audio zones are, it essentially means that one person can listen to classical music in the office, someone else can listen to country music in the basement, and another person can be listening to a podcast in their bedroom, and so on. Or you can have all your zones playing the same thing all at once. Next is the Juke Plus, which takes a significant step up. It looks pretty similar, but power gets increased to 100 watts per channel, and there's an equalizer that you can use to really dial in your settings for each individual zone to get things sounding just the way you like throughout your home. It also has an external antenna on the front to help pull in a significantly better Bluetooth signal, which comes in really handy if your amp is located farther away from your listening areas. And you also get RCA and optical connections on the back that let you hook up sources like TVs, turntables, subwoofers, and receivers for even better system integration. No matter which of these amps you wind up choosing, they all get set up initially through Juke's app. Once you do the initial configuration though, the app will display each speaker zone as an independent zone within your AirPlay and Spotify Connect menus. That means you can pick where you want your music to play right from the native music app, which makes it incredibly easy to operate as there's no new user interface to learn. So, which one should you get? If you're looking for a simple, reasonably priced way to add background music throughout your home, go with the Juke 6 or 8, depending on how many zones you have. If you enjoy listening to your music at higher volumes with more clarity, you like being able to customize the EQ settings, or you're looking for something with better system integration capabilities, you'll want to go with the Juke Plus. Now, one last thing to consider is Juke's new accessory called the AudioMate. This piece makes it easy to incorporate audio sources into your existing home audio system. It has connections for HDMI ARC and RCA, so you can wirelessly integrate things like TVs, turntables, and subwoofers into any of the Juke amplifiers. It's especially helpful for tasks like sending audio from an outdoor TV to your outdoor speakers, or incorporating an existing subwoofer with the ceiling speakers in your office. If you still aren't sure which amp is going to be a better fit for your home, or you want to learn more about any of the products that you saw in this video, be sure to reach out to the audio experts here at Apt, or leave your questions down in the comments. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.